Hi, I'm Regina.
I'm Lorena.
And my Nana Carmen. And we're gonna show you our math project. And well, we have two problems. So we have the first problem. The cost of producing X clocks radios is given by these equation. So the first question is finding the cost producing 1,000 clocks. So we only grabbed the original equation and we only plugged in this number, and the answer is 2,800. So the next problem is gonna show you.
Okay, so now we're going to find the differential, that it's an estimate of approximately how much will it cost to be producing that 101st clock. So we have this equation, the first one, and we have to use the derivative of this equation, which is 0.4x. How do we get 0.4x? We have to pass this number multiplying by 0.02, and then we have to subtract 1 from the exponent and multiply by dx. What is dx? dx is the difference between the first value, which is 1,000, to the second value, that is 101st. So 1,001st. And so we subtract 1,001st minus 1,000, and we plug it in here, which is 1. The difference is 1. So 0.4 times 1,000 times 1 will be an approximate of $40.
So the next problem is find the cost of the producing 1,001 clocks. So we only basically do the same thing. We grabbed the original equation and we plugged in 1,001, and we got 2,840. So here.
Now we have to find the increment, the real one, the real answer, how much will it really cost. So we grab the real values, which is the 20,840.02 with the 2,800, and we subtract them both, and we have the change of 40.02.
Now we're going to compare the letter B and the letter D, because in the letter B we're just taking an estimate of what the cost would be about, and in letter D we're getting the exact answer of the cost. Now we're going to the next problem, that is from section 2, is example number 1. Here they give you this equation, and the first thing you need to do is, because here, to make it easily, you're going to pass the u term, the parentheses to the top part to make it to a -5. Then you rewrite everything so that you don't mix things. And the first step of all this problem is you need to see which one is the u. Now that you get the u, that is this one, you need to get the u prime. You make this equation prime, and it's -3. Then you need to get the du, because you need to make all the terms to be equal. Like you need to make all of them u, all of them x. So here we're going to make all of them u. So you equal du minus 3 dx. So to make all of them u, you pass the -3 to the du, so dx equals du minus 3. And this, where the dx is, you're going to substitute with this number. Now we're going to write u when representing the original u, so that you don't need to rewrite the problem so many times. So you're going to rewrite the 15, then you write the u with a -5, then you substitute the dx with the du over -3, and you write the 4 that is here. Now you simplify it. 15u minus 5 du over -12. after this, you simplify it again, and you put 5u minus 5 du over minus 4. Now that you get this, you need to rewrite. You need to put the u and take the antiderivative of this. And to get the antiderivative, you need to put plus 1 here, and have it, and put it like under to make it a fraction, because it needs to be n plus 1 over n plus 1. So here you put f 5u minus 4 over the minus 4 that it's here, and you put the fraction minus 4 over 1. Then you make the tortilla thing, and you get minus 5u minus 4 over 16. Then that you get this, you rewrite where is the u, the original u. So it's minus 5, the parentheses, and all of this. And then the final answer, because it's negative 4, it cannot be negative on top, so you pass it to the bottom positive. And then you get this answer that is negative 5 over 16 parentheses 1 minus 3x, you close parentheses 4 exponent 4 plus c, because plus c is a constant when you never know if there's another number or not any number in the equation. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about this.
Bye.